In this video, I'd like to do a quick unboxing of the SURGE-RJ45. This is a network surge protector. So if you want to protect some equipment in a rack or you want to protect some HDMI extenders, this is exactly what you guys are going to need. So it's got a port over there and a port over there. Please note there's directions on the box itself of which one goes where. This side is to my equipment end, so this goes to my server rack on my network switch. This side says cable end, so you need to make sure that the cable from here runs through to the camera or whatever device you're trying to protect on this side. Here's our earthing wire. You need to make sure that this is actually connected to your closest earthing point. So if you need some help with that, please contact an electrician to install a proper earthing point around your equipment. So that's very important. This device will not function if this cable is just left lying loose. It needs to be earthed. I can't stress that enough. If you guys have got any questions or comments or you need some assistance, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to help you.